We all love that mango sauce they pour on vanilla ice cream at McDonald's, right? But let's be honest, it's full of preservatives and artificial stuff. So today we are making a fresh mango sundae sauce at home. No chemicals, no junk, just real mangoes and full on flavor. Welcome back to the Yummy Vibes. Let's dive in. We've taken about 1.5 kg ripe mangoes, roughly 4 big ones. Just slice them and make a grid with a knife. Scoop the chunks out. Don't forget to collect the juicy pulp too, every bit adds flavor. Now all that mango goes into a heavy bottom pan. These mangoes are super sweet, so we are adding just 2 tablespoons of sugar only to help preserve the sauce for a few days in the fridge. Turn on the heat to medium high and start cooking. Once it begins to bubble, lower the flame and let it simmer. Keep stirring so nothing sticks at the bottom, and soon you will see the mango breaking down into a thick pulp. I'm using a ceramic coated non-toxic pan here, which is safer for acidic fruits like mango. Link is in the description if you want to check it out. After about 10 minutes, the mango softens nicely. Now with a spatula, lightly mash it to blend everything together. Cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes depending on the consistency you want. Some like it thick, some like it pourable, totally your call. Now add the juice of 1 lemon. It brings in that perfect sweet tangy balance and helps preserve the sauce naturally without using any preservatives. Stir it one last time and your mango sundae sauce is done. Let it cool completely before storing. We are using a clean glass jar here. Just look at that bright yellow color and soft chunks of mango. It smells fresh, fruity and so real. Way better than anything out of a packet. Scoop out some plain vanilla ice cream. Pour this thick mango sauce generously on top, and there you go. Your homemade mango sundae is ready. Tastes like summer minus all the preservatives. Kids love it, and honestly, so do adults. That was our version of McDonald's style mango sundae sauce, but homemade, healthy, and full of real fruit. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more feel good food like this. See you next time.